Guys, I don't know how to dance. Welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I used to post videos relating to hair wrap and gele hairstyle. Sometimes if I have some makeup hack or makeup tips, I do post on this channel. So guys, today's video, this is what we are working on. I want to show you guys how I achieve this Ankara print style on my head. You guys have been looking at my head since, so I guess you want to know how I achieved this hair wrap. So guys, we are going to dive into the video right now and watch how I achieved this gele. It's a very simple, fast and beautiful one, right? Am I right? So guys, let's go and see. I'll not go into today's video without saying thank you to my returning subscribers, and I'll always remember to tell people that are just seeing this face for the first time to click the button below and subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Guys, I'm talking to you that are watching me. Yes, I'm talking to you. Just click on that button right now and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. So guys, you want to know how I achieved this ah gele or edge wrap or whatever it is. Now let's go straight into the video and learn how I achieve it very fast. Come guys. So guys, we are into the video now. So we are getting the Ankara material and it is in this length. So look at how I placed it on my head. And for this gele style, we need a elastic band, rubber band. So at the front, I grabbed the two length and I tightened it up with an elastic band. Just as seen, please focus, concentrate, watch, and see how I achieved it. So the two leftover lengths, I picked one and look at how I folded it. I folded it and I secure it with my elastic band again. So I have to leave that one, then I work with the other one. Look at how I placed it as well. The SS, you can see how I pull it forward. So take note of this important places. So I'm securing that one too with an elastic band. So just watch, focus your eyes, you'll get it. Keep on trying, you're gonna get it. So that place, you can see that the SS has been kept. I just rolled the SS and I placed them backward. Then the folded parts, I'm trying to split them out. I've split the first one, so I'm splitting the other one. So can you see guys? Yeah, I'm almost done with it very fast. So when I splitted it out, I'm securing it with my pin in the edges, the first edge and the second edge. Then at the middle up there, I'm securing it with a pin. I've also secure it at the top with a pin. That's why it's standing. The bolt is joined together up as well. Guys, listen and watch the video again and again. You are going to get it. So look at the back, look at the front, look at what we have. Quite amazing, right? So I don't want to make the video to be long. That's why I give it some speed. So I have to speed it up. People don't like long videos. So I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.